And hey friends, welcome to the tutorial, and this is Abishek. I'm going to show you some useful experiments today. And number first experiment is first take some water and pour it into the plate you have, and take some pepper you have like this, and sprinkle it into the water like this, and shake it well, shake the plate well like this, and then take some dish liquid like this and pour a drop of dish liquid into your hands and like this, and touch the middle of the plate with your finger, and the magic happens. The next trick is pour some water into a bowl like this, and take some matches like this, and take 2 matchsticks and dip it into the water like this, and it anyways doesn't light up like this. But I have an idea, which is to take the matchstick and take some toothpaste which you have in your home like this. Take any toothpaste like this and dip the matchstick into the toothpaste, and then take some tissue papers and take one tissue paper and wipe the toothpaste from the matchstick, and then the magic happens, and then it will light up. This is the magic, and thanks for watching this tutorial, and that's all for this video. Bye bye.